Good morning. It's so cold. I slept in another room because the bed is broken, But never mind. I know you told me the solution, but I can't put the mattress on the ground because it would be get wet if I put the mattress on the ground because it's stuck. Then I don't know the English word. It's then like water under the mattress. Before, no water, but if I put the mattress to the ground and we sleep there, it feels like it's water under the mattress, so I can't do it. I will try to take the bed of Minu here and change the bed. But last night I slept here. My room, you see, this is my new room for working, you see, and I put my dog Bailey in my bed because she is warm, and I put my baby in my bed. Look at this. Ooh. Baby slave. And I had not many place here, so yeah, I just make it a 15 minutes. Then I need to make this warm again because yes. So I just awaked, but I have something to do today because I must working a lot. I didn't study enough yesterday. I was so tired after I cleaned up. So now I stand up in the morning for do many things. I must make a fire and I must bring Bailey outside. Yes, and I must washing my hair and I must make me ready for the day, and then I have a lot to do to learning. So yes, let's go. I love you so much and I miss you so much. I wish I could hug you and I wish I could be with you in Chiang Mai. It's so hard. Okay. She don't want. Baby, come, Cassie. Come outside. Oh, you know Oma. Na komm. Lazy dog. Spinnst du? Lass doch den Igel mal in Ruhe. Oh, das Baby. Scared. And see your eyes. Oh, look at this. Bailey, geh weg. Nein. Nein. Okay. Wieder okay, ja? Shining today. Just cold. You remember, darling? You make it. Always if I make fire, I'm thinking of you. And the most I love to do this one is this. I love to do this. Yeah, I love it. Let's go, let's go. So now I'm back home and I drinking cold children coffee. You know, the German traditional Karo coffee. And I will study now and I miss you so much. Yes, I wish you a good day. I just awaked and yes, you see, someone love me. Someone love me. Yes. And I love you so much and I miss you so much. It would be so beautiful. Could we take a breakfast together? But so now I'm not hungry in the morning. It's if it's cold and I...
Ich will auch Kinderkaffee.
Ja, kann ich dir geben. If it's cold and I was a child, I never had breakfast as I was a child. So I grow up and I never wanted to eat in the morning. So if I'm in Germany, I don't want to eat in the morning. In Thailand, I want to eat in the morning. I'm hungry in the morning and I was living with you together. But here I'm alone now again and yes, I'm not that hungry in the morning. So I just drinking a bit and not real coffee with not caffeine and I will start to study. Have a nice day, darling.